like Battenberg, cherry bakewell vibes. Popping candy. It's not for me, not for me. We've got in this little sucker. Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what we have in February's Lush Kitchen Box. Received this yesterday. Didn't have a chance to film yesterday, so I'm filming today. This is a Lunar New Year box. I have opened it already, so it's not a surprise like it usually is, but we will still have fun with it. So you open it up and it looks like this. You get your little card that you get every month. This has like really lovely dragon print on, and then it says ignite your inner dragon on the back. Then you have your little card which has the info and the ingredients and stuff on the products that are inside. And shall I show you? Oh, you've probably seen it all anyway. Oh wait, shall I show you? I'll show you. Here you go. Looks like that inside. Wow, that's how I've nicely placed it back inside. So let's get crack-a-lacking. I will do my least favourite first, and then I'll work towards my favourites, I think. So my least favourite in this box, which I'm not going to be keeping, I'm going to sell it, so I'm not really touching him. So I'm going to put him on here like this, is the Karma Dragon Soap. Firstly, this was meant to come with glitter all over it, like covered, like everyone else's is covered in glitter. Mine has like no glitter on, but doesn't really bother me because I find the smell hideous. Like people love this smell and I'm just like, what? It smells wrong. It smells like gone off, or like cleaning products. It's just a bit, I remember getting it years ago as a little sample in the shop, and I like forced myself to use it and kept being like, yeah, I love it, and I didn't love it at all. It was gross. So I'm going to be selling this puppy on Vinted. I mean, some people love it, but it's just not for me, not for me. Then my second to last favourite, or not really very favourite, is the Dragon's Temple Bath. Now don't get me wrong, I might change my mind when I use this, like it might become my favourite, you never know, but off initial scent and stuff, not my overwhelming favourite, but I'm going to keep it and use it. Looks like that. It smells good. It's a sweet cinnamony scent. Like this box I thought would be really very, very spicy, and in my opinion, compared to the Fresh and Flowers box that we had, this isn't spicy to me. That was spicy. This is quite nice, the majority of it. I'm very happy with this box. This is like a sweet cinnamony scent, but it's not too overriding of cinnamon because I'm not a big fan of cinnamon, so if it did properly smell like it, I wouldn't like this. But it's nice. It's like, I think it's got like a hint of orange in as well or something. Something's going on in here, like lemon. It's got cocoa butter, shea butter, lime oil, the limonene, black pepper oil. Yeah, so it's got some citrus in there. Funnily enough, I can't actually see cinnamon on here, but this definitely smells like cinnamon to me. But yeah, we're excited to use that, and I can feel it melting on my hand already. Like, look, that's going to be very nice, I think, in the bath. This box is a very like gooey and transfery box. Like I've got the wet wipes on the go and it's still just going everywhere. And I've had to film this like a couple of times. So I've done a video for my TikTok, I took photos for Instagram, and every time I touch it, it's just like in my hands. Third favourite, so we're at number 3. So these 3 are like the top 3, I guess. Is the, what are you called, my little fella? You're called Dragon Legend Reusable Bubble Bar. Look how stunning that is. Is that not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life? Look at the glitter on it. Phenomenal. This, to me, is quite, unusually, I think is quite a fresh scent. It smells like, it just smells fresh with a little bit of spice, so like a clean sort of vibe. Oh, I just got that on my lip. So a clean vibe with the most minute bit of spice. Like, I don't think it's particularly spicy. Some people might disagree, but again, after that Fresh and Flowers box, was bloody spicy. So these aren't too bad. let's have a look what we've got in this little sucker. Look how cute he is. I can't wait to use him. So you've got sodium carbonate, cream of tartar, sodium lauryl sulfate, I don't know what that is, perfume, jasmine absolute, ylang ylang oil, dragon fruit powder, that sounds delicious, titanium dioxide, there's cinnamon in it, I don't know if that's cinnamon, I think I've said that before. I fucking knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen at some point. I was holding it like a tit though, like why was I holding it like this? It's broke. Never mind, it could have been worse. I've already dropped this box on the floor trying to film this. I picked it up and it just went everywhere. Do you see what I mean about this as well? But this is going to be lovely. I'm going to put this down before I break it any further. But this smells good. We like this one. Last two, my two favourites of the box, and that's purely because they smell the same. Second fave is the Fireball Bath Bomb, which has a bit of fluff on it, probably because I dropped it on the floor. Fireball Bath Bomb. Sorry about my nails, guys. I haven't painted them in like 2 weeks. It's gross. This did have a lot more glitter on, but I've got it in and out of the box so many times, like the glitter's come off. But look how stunning that is. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. This does stuff to me. This scent is in the Cinders family scent. I think it's meant to be the exact same, or it might just be very, very similar, but that's why I like them both. They had this as another product years ago. Like, it's just bringing back such nostalgia. And I bought loads of it, but I can't think what it was. I think it was at Christmas, because I remember going to Birmingham with my friend, and I spent like £200 on Lush, and I was like 17. I think it was like birthday money or Christmas. No, not birthday money. It was Christmas. It would have been Christmas money. And it was crazy because they did the most wicked offer. It was every £25 you spend or something, you got a free gift box. So I was there with like 20 bags of stuff from Lush, because I ended up getting like, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, I don't know how many gift boxes. And then I remember getting home and getting upset because I bought a Demon in the Dark soap and it wasn't in there. They hadn't put my soap in my bag. It was like a dagger through my heart. But yeah. There was a scent around that time, like 10 years ago, that was in another product, I think, and it's just bringing about such nostalgia. But I cannot wait to use this. This is going to be so exciting to use. I can just tell it's going to be beautiful. Beautiful. Then the number one favourite, the OG of this box, is the Cinders Shower Gel. Look at it. Look at the colour of it. This... bollocks, I do that every time. Everywhere. Okay, so no, they don't smell the same, but I remember Googling it and it said they were in the same family. So they're not far off each other, I don't think. But this, to me, smells just like a cherry bakewell. It's phenomenal. I don't know, it's gorgeous. I've heard some people say they think it smells quite fruity, like tutti fruity, but I think it's just pure almond, like Battenberg, cherry bakewell vibes. And I honest to God did not expect it to smell like that. I thought it would smell like cinnamon, pure cinnamon, and that would have like put me right off. But it doesn't, and we're here for it. So in the Cinders, we've got some almond essential oil, so that'll be the prominent sort of scent coming through for me, I think. Brazilian orange oil, cinnamon leaf oil, organic pumpkin seed maple syrup. Ooh, interesting. Aloe, paprika. Wow. More cinnamon powder. You've got loads of stuff in here. Ginger powder, nutmeg powder, allspice powder, clove powder, carrageenan extract, cinnamon, eugenol, limonene. You've got loads of stuff in there. Beautiful. I love it. I've said beautiful about 20 million times in this video. I do apologise. I didn't have a look what was in the Fireball, did I? In the Fireball, we've got citric acid, almond essential oil, orange oil, cinnamon leaf oil, popping candy. There's popping candy in it. Oh, that's going to be fun, isn't it? Mustard powder. Interesting. Cocoa sulfate, cinnamon again, limonene again. So like quite cinnamon. oh my God, what's the word? Similar. Quite similar ingredients to the cinders, but without a few of them. I think there's a few missing, but they're similar in scent and they're both divine. And those two products, this cinders and Fireball, I'm here for them. I love it. This box is really quite nice. I was not expecting to like this box at all, but I wanted to stick with it because in a few months I'm not going to be able to afford to get like anything ever, so I might not be able to afford Kitchen Box, I don't know. So I've just been sticking with them because like I want to try as much as I can before I'm poor. But I love this box. It's amazing, except for this soap, which I don't like, but those 4 products, phenomenal. We're going to be very excited to try those out. If you guys got this month's box, do let me know what you thought of it. It would be interesting to see other people's opinions. And does anyone agree with me about cinders? Do you think it smells like a cherry bake wow? Because I think I'm the only one who thinks that, but to me it does. Okay, so that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. That'll be fabulous. Do feel free to leave me a comment. I love talking to you guys. It's my favourite. And yeah, I will see you all soon. Bye.